I am Marcus. I will demonstrate my project, my Arduino project, automatic water valve. So this simple device can revolve your conventional valve become automatic valve. So how it work? It is simple. So after we install the device in your conventional valve and turn on the water flow and then turn on the valve, it will work. It will work. So it automatically on and automatically off. Let's zoom. So in this box there is two ultrasonic sensor and one solenoid valve and then a battery for power source, and this is a switch, so you can on your project and off. And this is a conventional conventional valve. So this is a ring, a safety ring, so you can quickly revolve your konvensional become automatic.
2, 3, udah.
Belum. So this is simple. Wait, seven. Okay, we will look inside the box. First, I will open the ring. Okay, we will look inside the box. In this box, there is, of course, there is Arduino. There is Arduino, and there is a battery, 12 volt, and then there is two sensor, ultrasonic sensor, and there is solenoid valve. Look at it. Solenoid valve. Wait. This solenoid valve. Okay, and switch. There is switch to make it. So the challenge is how to make it waterproof. Use the ring, the safety ring. This safety ring, and then connect the Arduino into the sensor, and there is a circuit. Yes, you can quickly get the circuit on the circuito. And of course this is power supply, and yes, that's all. There is you can look it. We must make it waterproof, and you can quickly connect to the conventional valve with ring. So with ring and like this, and then you can fix it with this is a screw. Okay, pause. Okay, now I will demonstrate how to build the program with Circuito and wiring. So we go to Circuito and then let's go. Yes, wait. Maybe pause on. So first we need two two sensor. What sensor apa namanya? Two ultrasonic sensor. Yes, this is. You can drag and drop here. Okay, ultrasonic sensor, and then once more ultrasonic sensor, and then one solenoid valve. solenoid valve in output. Okay, that's all. Two sensor, one. Look it. This is not important. And click generate. Yes. And tutorial will give you the wiring and the program. Look, he will give you advice to, maybe you will can zoom. Advice what you need: cable, jumper, Arduino, breadboard, and channel MOSFET, and resistor, adapter, the rectifier, ultrasonic sensor, jumper, and solenoid valve. And he give you the wiring. So he give the wiring with the step by step. Look it. This is 19 step. So it's so easy to you to do it. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, and then this is the last combat circuit. And then tutorial also give you the code, so we can download the code quickly. Download the code. Okay, the code will download. Okay, I will download the code. Okay, the code will download. There is, this is the code will download, and I will open the code. I will extract in size. Okay, and see. Okay, this is the code. The code in Arduino format. And yes, so this is a variable that you can switch, can change it. This is, look it, this is the sensor variable, the first sensor and the second sensor. This is the value in centimeter. You can change it to maybe 2 centimeter and okay, it's so simple. So you get the wiring, and you get the wiring, and you get the code, and you can install it quickly. Thanks. This is of my Arduino project. Thank you.